On April 10, 2024, Al-Amin College of Education hosted a 5-day ICT workshop in collaboration with IT for Change. A detailed report in this regard.
To start this occasion with the blessings of Almighty, I invite Mr. Muhammad Anas for Qira'at.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In today's rapidly evolving information-driven society, the need for digital literacy and skills has become paramount. This sentiment was eloquently expressed by Principal Dr. 𝗔𝗟 in her address, where she emphasized the importance of embracing information and communication technology in the education system. As Principal Dr. 𝗔𝗟 rightly pointed out, we are living in an information-centric era, and it is the responsibility of educational institutions to equip students with the necessary tools and knowledge to navigate this digital landscape. The development of digital skills is no longer a mere luxury.
The society that we are living is not just the society, it is information society. So it is used to describe the society today. So participating in this society requires as well as understanding of how these processes are affecting society. Otherwise, you become outdated, right? So you will have to update your knowledge, because this is information society. So to get adjusted with this kind of society, you need lot of skills. So in this regard, development of digital literacy skill is required to all of us to navigate this information society. So it is the responsibility of the education system and the institution like ours has to respond to this inspiring and helping students develop an understanding of ICT, its impact on society and possibilities for learning through ICT.
But a critical necessity to thrive in the modern world. To this end, Al-Amin College of Education has taken a proactive step by collaborating with the renowned nonprofit organization, IT for Change. This partnership aims to support the capacity building of student teachers, and teacher educators in the effective integration of digital technologies and processes into the education system. IT for Change, with its decade-long experience in promoting the adoption of digital technologies in education, is well positioned to guide the education community in overcoming the present barriers to learning in this field. Through this collaboration, the organization will work closely with the Karnataka Education Department as a resource institution, providing valuable insights and expertise to enhance the quality of education. As Dr. 𝗔𝗟 eloquently explained, helping students develop an understanding of ICT, its impact on society, and the possibilities for learning through ICT is a crucial aspect of this initiative.
First of all, thank you for a warm welcome, and colleagues and all students. It feels good to be, part of this program today. Like Madam said, we are an NGO based in Bangalore, 𝗔𝗟, IT for Change. We've been, as our name suggests, our primary vision is to use.
By empowering students with digital literacy, we are not only preparing them for the demands of the modern workforce, but also equipping them with the critical thinking and problem-solving skills necessary to thrive in the information-driven world. The integration of ICT in education is a multifaceted endeavor that requires the collective efforts of educational institutions, teachers, and the broader community. By embracing this digital transformation, we can create a more inclusive, engaging, and effective learning environment that meets the needs of the 21st century learner. Through this partnership with IT for Change, Al-Amin College of Education is taking a significant step towards realizing this vision. As we continue to navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape, it is crucial that we remain vigilant, adaptable, and committed to empowering our students with the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in the information society. the report of the day. Please stay tuned to Alameen TV Bengaluru for future updates. Thanks for watching.